buried inside DJI's own registration filings, a name has quietly appeared that most drone owners haven't even noticed yet: the DJI Mavic 5 Pro. No press release, no teaser video, nothing official from DJI itself, just a name sitting inside internal paperwork, the kind of document nobody outside the company is supposed to be reading closely. And that's really the entire foundation of this story right now. There's no FCC filing tied to it, no leaked prototype photos floating around forums, no insider dropping a spec sheet at 2 a.m. For a company that usually leaks like a sieve months before launch, that silence is almost louder than a leak would be. So, before we go any further, let's be clear about something important. Everything from here on is informed speculation, not confirmed fact. Here's what we can reasonably guess based on how DJI actually operates. The current flagship, the Mavic 4 Pro, set a genuinely high bar with its triple camera setup and noticeably improved dynamic range and low light performance. If DJI keeps following its own playbook, a Mavic 5 Pro would likely push that imaging system even further, possibly with deeper sensor stacking for faster processing and even wider dynamic range. Obstacle avoidance has become non-negotiable on every modern Mavic 2, so expect that system to get sharper rather than disappear. Transmission is probably the safest guess of all. DJI's Ocu series has improved every single generation, extending range and cutting latency. And whatever comes after Ocu 4 will almost certainly carry the Mavic 5 Pro's signal. Battery life is another easy prediction, since flight time has quietly crept upward with nearly every release for years. But specific megapixel counts, sensor sizes, exact battery numbers? Skeptical. Anyone throwing those around right now is guessing, not leaking. Here's the part that might disappoint people hoping for a 2026 surprise. The Mavic 4 Pro is still brand new, still selling extremely well, and still DJI's main moneymaker in this category. Releasing a true successor this soon would mean cannibalizing a product that's still printing money. Most industry watchers tracking DJI's release rhythm point toward 2027, more realistically 2028, before a Mavic 5 in any form actually ships. On top of that, DJI's attention right now is split across several other product lines competing for the same engineering resources, from action cameras to compact gimbal devices, all fighting for priority inside the same roadmap. Impressed, a company can only push so many ambitious flagships at once, and right now, the Mavic 5 Pro isn't at the front of that line. There's a second, arguably bigger obstacle, and it has nothing to do with engineering. DJI currently sits on the FCC's covered list in the United States, meaning new products need special regulatory review before they can legally launch there. Several of DJI's 2026 releases have already missed their expected FCC filing windows entirely, with no submission showing up at all. Whatever the DJI Mavic 5 Pro eventually becomes, it's being born straight into that same regulatory mess, and there's nothing right now suggesting that changes anytime soon. Incredibly, even once this drone is real, American buyers specifically might be waiting even longer than everyone else, or facing genuine uncertainty about availability altogether. Right now, the DJI Mavic 5 Pro exists as a name in a database and a pattern built from years of DJI history, nothing more. But names like this have a habit of eventually becoming real products. Do you think DJI ships this before 2028, or does the wait drag on longer than anyone expects? Drop your prediction below, hit like if this cleared things up, and subscribe so you catch the real reveal the moment it actually happens.